how to craft items and resources in Darkest Days. Don't wait to find it, make it. This guide shows you how to craft items and resources in Darkest Days. Open a crafting menu at any time. Here, you'll see categories for consumables, tools and gear. Items that are highlighted can be made immediately with resources in the backpack. You can't draft advanced items without blueprints. These are earned from missions or brought from traders. Once you find a blueprint, use it in inventory to permanently unlock that recipe. For raw materials like iron or planks, use the refining station. Always keep your stations running in the background while you go out on missions. This ensures you never run out of building resources. Now go build your arsenal. Like and subscribe for more Darkest Days crafting guides.